and welcome to Clappia. In Clappia, you can generate PDFs for your submissions. And if you've already set that up and have tables in your PDFs and have noticed that some rows appear blank in the generated PDF, there's a simple way to remove them automatically. Let me show you how. So I'll go to my Clappia dashboard and I'll select this incident report app. I'll go to my print settings now. So I'll go to design app, head over to configuration, then click on print settings and click on this editor icon. Over here, you can see I have already set up the print template. If you're new to setting up PDFs in Clappia, I've already made a detailed video on that, which I'll link in the description. So you might want to check that out first. Now here I have one table that I have created and I've placed some field variables inside this table. This means I will be pulling field values dynamically from submissions. To add field variables, simply type in @ and you'll get a list of all the variables in your app. Now here you can see these cells are blank and only field variables are added over here. So what if you don't fill in these fields during submission? The table will still display the rows with empty values in the PDF. Basically, it will appear as blank cells in the PDF. So what if there is an entire row empty or multiple rows empty? To prevent this, you can enable an option to automatically delete empty rows. First, click on your table, then click on the table option at the top over here. Click on Table Properties. Under Class, select Delete Empty Rows. Click on Save and then save the template. Do not skip this step. Now that I've saved it, I'll make a submission. Now I've filled in some random details in this app and purposely I've left out incident details, action and incident cause, just so that some rows will be left blank in that table. Now I'll click on Submit. I'll go to the Submissions tab, click on the submission, and on the right-hand panel, it has captured all the details. And to view the PDF, I'll click on the PDF icon at the top over here. It'll redirect me to Print Preview, and as you can see, the empty rows have been deleted. Only one has appeared because I filled in this field during submission. This is especially useful if your app has copyable sections and you've mapped all section variables into the table. If users don't utilize all copies of the section, this setting ensures that the PDF doesn't show unnecessary blank rows, keeping it clean and readable. And that's it. Your PDF will now only display rows with data and delete all the empty rows. If you're still unsure about this configuration or have questions on other features in Clappia, you can always raise a support request by clicking on the button over here at the top. Select the appropriate option that is convenient for you and we'll get in touch.